Hey, my name's Jacob Fishman. I'm a graduate from the Ivy and Young Academy, and since graduation, I've been running an independent design and production studio. One of the big projects since graduating is this piece you see behind me, which is called Culver Current, which is a public art installation for the city of Culver City. It's very technically complicated inside from an engineering perspective. Everything happening on the screen behind me is based in real-time generative data of the activity within Culver City. I think working on a project like this, the Academy prepared me tremendously because something like this is all about combining disciplines. It's engineering, it's design, it's art, it's managing a business, team management, building a team. Thinking across those disciplines and mindsets is something that the Academy is all about and has really prepared me to do.